Hello friends, welcome back to Hello Helper. In today's tutorial, I'll show you a super handy trick, how to quickly find any word or phrase in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a long document or just want to locate something specific, this trick will save you tons of time. So let's get started. Step 1. Open your Google Docs file. First, open your Google Docs file. If you haven't already, go to Google Docs, select the document you want to work on, and make sure it's fully loaded. For this tutorial, I'll be using an example document to show you the steps. Step 2. Access the Find feature. Now here's the trick. To find a word, all you need to do is press Ctrl F on Windows or Command F on a Mac. You'll see a small search bar appear at the top right corner of your document. This is the Find bar. Step 3. Type the word you want to find. Next, click on the search bar and type the word or phrase you're looking for. For example, I'll type report. As you type, Google Docs will automatically highlight all instances of that word in your document. Step 4. Navigate through the results. To move between the results, use the small arrows next to the search bar. The down arrow takes you to the next occurrence, and the up arrow takes you to the previous one. It's that simple. Step 5. Replace a word. Here's a bonus tip. If you want to replace the word, click on the 3 dots next to the search bar and select Find and Replace. Type the new word in the Replace With box and click Replace or Replace All to update all occurrences. And that's how you find a word in Google Docs like a pro. It's a simple trick, but incredibly useful for editing and reviewing documents. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Hello Helper for more easy and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.